That was a spill. That was a spill. Jackie F.A. Tuason, rider of Terrible Guy, left considered. We have Good as Gold running by Draliza Alonso, and in third is Wild Storm. And going along for the first turn now, we have Alonso, the leader by Oralenka. And in second is Good as Gold. The length back in third is Wild Storm. Red still Alonso by Oralenka and Hapa. Good as Gold still in second. Wild Storm in third. Red still Alonso traveling well okay by about 2 lengths. Good as Gold remains in second. And here comes Wild Storm now moving up to take second. But it's still Alonso by Oralenka. Wild Storm now in second. Good as Gold rush back in third. Last 600 meters. And it's still Alonso by about 2 lengths this time. And in second is Wild Storm. Good as Gold remains in third. But still Alonso by about 4 lengths. Wild Storm, Good as Gold. Once again, Danori inside. As they come down to the last 150. With Alonso now strides away by about 3 lengths. Good as Gold in second. Danori outside Wild Storm. Last 100 meters. We have Alonso by about 7 lengths. And in second is Wild Storm. And finally, it's Alonso. Jackie J.B. Guse. Second, Wild Storm. Good as Gold.
Talagang ano, no? Ika nga